NUKK stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And just observing Nukkleus stock, we're already seeing some breaks. That's absolutely amazing because it's 45% up. Guess how my chart looks like. Context, the only guy that's done 45,000 videos, spent thousands of courses, mentors, documented everything. The only guy that's done this, you know, regarding these ticker symbols, been in the game for 4 years. People are 2 months in and they're selling a freaking paid Patreon. I mean, come on, man. I'm calling moves out like 1800% increases in price for free on my YouTube channel. People are making 1000% gains, you know, the NXP when we made videos, you know. And right now, like I mentioned, I want to see a proper shift, a double break. This kind of broke the plans because it's a bigger retracement than expected, and honestly, it's not following my rules. That's why I'm still looking for my proper shift. And it's just a whack of accumulation, and as the rules are met, then I'm just not gonna show long. I mean, for obviously any reason, I'm gonna keep you updated, so stay tuned. What I will keep doing is I'll just keep waiting for the rules. And instead of a paid Patreon, there's a free newsletter. First link in the description. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and new way, check it out. Send an email per day. It's free, so you're not gonna want to miss out tomorrow's one. It's so saucy.